Welcome to a new day. I am glad you have decided to start this day with me. Daily meditation practice is your key to inner balance and positive changes in your life. Listen to this meditation every morning and share your feelings in the comments. I invite you to get as comfortable as possible, sitting or lying on your back. When you are ready, close your eyes. Let's take a few deep breaths in and out through our noses together. A slow breath in, filling us with vitality, and a breath out, cleansing and freeing up space inside. Another breath through your nose, filling you with energy, and a slow exhalation. Inhale, notice how your chest expands, and exhale, release all the tension from your body. Feel the state of complete presence in the moment, here and now. Pay attention to what is happening to your body right now. Are there any sensations, physical or emotional, that your body wants to draw your attention to? What thoughts and questions have you brought with you from yesterday, or from some events in the past? What thoughts and emotions are troubling you and preventing you from fully enjoying the present moment? Without judgment, allow yourself to let go of any accumulated feelings and thoughts, anything that does not bring you joy, energy, happiness, and pleasure. Take a deep breath through your nose and simply exhale, releasing them from your body and mind. Breathe, focusing your attention on your exhalations. Let these feelings, emotions, and physical tensions simply disappear and dissolve into space with each exhalation. Allow everything unnecessary to leave you. It no longer serves you, and right now it is leaving your body, leaving only lightness and freedom. Allow yourself to freely choose in life what is truly yours, what your heart tells you. When you choose your path with your heart, your energy will multiply and support you and everyone around you. We cannot know for sure what the future holds, but we can intuitively feel the path we need to take and move toward our goals and dreams. Think about how you would like to feel today. What energies, feelings, and emotions would you like to experience every day? How would you like to express yourself in your life? Imagine how you want to see it. If you lived the most harmonious life, the life of your dreams, what would it look and feel like? What would you like to feel and add to your life? Perhaps more inspiration and recognition in your work. More feelings, love, and care. To become the healthiest, most beautiful, best version of yourself. To find a new job or hobby, to rest fully and feel more energy every day. Think about what is really important to you, what you would like to achieve in your life. Only you can tune into this flow of energy that will allow you to achieve your goals. And you promise yourself today and every day to choose this energy with your heart, without looking back at anyone around you. This is your power, your energy wave, which you are tuned into in order to fulfill all your true desires and live the life of your dreams. Let's take 3 more deep breaths together and feel the energy of each one. With each breath, absorb the energy, emotions, feelings, and power that you want to bring into your life. And with each exhalation, let everything unnecessary simply leave your life. You keep only what is valuable to you. You take responsibility for your life, and you move toward your goals with passion and confidence. Deep breath and exhale. This is your life, your reality, your choice. You have the right to choose how to live your own life in the best way for you. Take a deep breath and exhale completely. Take another deep, slow breath. And as you exhale, open your eyes. Remember that your energy is your choice. You deserve the best, and may the life of your dreams become your reality. Thank you for practicing with me. Have a wonderful day, and see you again soon.